Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a big bundle for you, and this is ad banner, web ads banner. Every banner have different size and every folder have 16 files with different style or different size. So total file is here 640 templates in PSD. So first I show you. You can change resolutions or colors etc if you want. So I open next folder. You can adjust your own picture or your web design picture, poster etc. If you want change color, change name, full editables files. So third folder, so I change this drag to Photoshop. You see here in layer area, background shape, triangle button. You can change color here. You can change color, double click here and select any color. Okay, and you see here and for picture, double click here and you need to rotate image. Okay, and drag this file. Okay, press shift for adjust, Ctrl S for saving, and you can see here the lines of shape. You can change logo etc if you want. So I close this file. I know my website have some errors, so you can open in desktop mode or web mode. This templates, you can add your image here or your angle etc if you want. Okay, and this file is creative agency text here, so you can adjust your picture, contact us button, your website. So I add this file 1080 by 1080. Okay, I adjust their picture. Simply you can change colors etc if you want. Drag to this file. This file is low resolution, so I adjust this shape, enter, Ctrl S, and you see here your file is in background. So you can change color, background is if you want. Change button color, contact us, double click. Okay, I close this file, and you see here different size, and you can increase this in size any if you want. Change resolution, for example 200 by 200, and you can change, just right click here, image size and resolution 300. Okay, you can see the size is increased with no any issues or file corrupted. Okay. I show you last folder of these templates. I know you have no time. Okay, drag to Photoshop and change resolution 300. Okay all, because font is not available here, so enter. You see here the resolution and see here, because the TTF file is not my computer. Enter. So you can see our file is high definition when you click or when you install these fonts. So just any picture, double click here and drag to image. You can adjust easily. Okay, Control S, and you see here I think your ad is ready for post or public here. Close this file. Okay, I have seen this. Wow, amazing color. You add your picture here, change your color if you want, and write any text. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.